Main focus is to nurture the students so that they're prepared to go into the IT industry and meet the challenges. At FAST in particular, the curriculum is devised in such a manner that there's a good blend of research and exposure to the industry, focusing more on developing the skills of the students, both practically, so that they are highly equipped in terms of practical skills when they move out into the industry. In that regards, a number of measures are taken. The curriculum is devised keeping in view the industry standards, and there's a lot of collaboration and alliances with different industry partners. At our university, we have placements and industry affairs management department that is responsible for seeking out opportunities for students in form of internships, in the form of placements relevant their domain to their expertise. We have alliances with the major industry partners such as Microsoft, IBM, Oracle. These are all the industry partners. Also, we have, in terms of curriculum, we have very well defined stream of subjects in the form of core courses and elective courses. So students have a range of choices to pick from. So students can actually choose the subject they have better skills at. And there are a number of research groups in order to guide. And different faculty members are heading the different research groups. For example, we have machine intelligence research group, semantics research, and then agents and distributed computing. So students have a range of subjects to pick from. The final year projects, the students have a very well-defined framework in which students are guided how to choose their final year project, because that is what is going to have a significant impact on the outcome of their degree when they move out into the market. And we also have a number of competitions, a number of events. For example, final year open house is one event where partners from the industry and professionals are invited who come and look at students' projects and interview them so that they can be hired straight away. I have been working at FAST National University for the last 3 years, and I have been teaching quite a number of courses. For example, computer programming, object-oriented analysis and design, data structures, human-computer interaction, and the domain of my research is semantic web technologies. And majority of the projects, research-based projects that I have been part of supervising belongs to this domain of semantic web technologies. And this is a very significant domain because the web dominates our lives, and this is the next generation of the web. And in order for our systems to be more efficient, be more intelligible, the incorporation of this technology into the information systems and the web systems these days is a must. So there are very few universities across Pakistan, for example, because it's such a new and emerging research area. You will hardly find any place in Pakistan where research is being carried out in this domain. So this is a very novel and unique research area, and I'm privileged in the sense that FAST has provided that platform for me to offer that course. So I was the one to devise and offer this course for the first time at FAST, and since then it has been one of the popular courses to be taken up because it is an elective course, so students take it up by choice, and it has been a popular course because of the uniqueness, because of the novelty, and because of the new exposure in terms of tools and technologies that students are given, and the credit goes to the university for the facilitation in terms of the tools, the technologies, the infrastructure. Computer science is a very vibrant field of knowledge, in the sense that knowledge is consistently updating, and it is not static, it is highly dynamic, because and this is also the challenging part of it, because you cannot learn one thing and be contented with it. You have to consistently and constantly upgrade yourself and upgrade your knowledge, because it's like an exponential growth in the IT domain. Every day you are seeing new trends emerging, new technologies, new tools coming. So this is challenging both for those in the academia and those in the industry, and more for the academia because we have to prepare the students to meet the emerging trends of the industry. That is why computer science is one domain that cannot impart the knowledge up to its mark without keeping a constant connection with the industry, and that is one thing I would like to stress, that throughout my tenure in the academia I have observed and noticed that there is still a huge lag between the academia and the industry. As much as they need to be working in collaboration with each other, we need a lot of input from the industry. I think this gap in the academia and I cannot overemphasize the importance of bridging this gap between academia and the industry. This is one of the very major agendas in our curriculum, that how to achieve this, and for this we have been thinking a number of measures. It has to be a two-way process. Input is needed from both the academia and the end of industry as well. At times, if the academia is productive, the same response is not there from the industry, or vice versa. So the industry needs to reach out to the academia so that they can convey the emerging trends and their needs and requirements, what they need from the students who are going to make it to the industry soon when they graduate. Similarly, the academia and the university curriculum needs to update. Generally, the drawback is at times the curriculum is too outdated or not meeting the standards of the industry, so that needs to be updated. So the academia needs to make a proactive effort to have a very vibrant and consistent and constant interaction and collaboration with the industry to know about the trends and technologies that are state of the art, you could say. One of the things that industry should do is that they need to have academic partners who are equipped to have that communication with the members of the academia, so that they can guide. At times, many a times we have sought out interaction with the industry, but the problem relies in the fact that the needs are not understood. For example, so that academic partner of the industry needs to be trained in such a manner so that he or she can guide the curriculum of the academia or guide the curriculum which is being taught to the students, so that adequate changes can be made to incorporate the needs of the industry into the academia. For example, in this sense, there could be training workshops that could be held for the faculty. I think that is very important, that the training, before you can reach out the students, you need to reach out the teachers of the students who are actually responsible for conveying the knowledge to the students. So faculty training is a must, and some trend is already there. For example, IBM is carrying out faculty training workshops, but still not enough effort is there. There needs to be done more. So in this, that is one area where industry can do a lot in training and in training the faculty of the university, so that they can then reach out to the students. If that could be done, we could have a significant bridging of this gap between the academia and the industry. Yes.
My name is Ammna Basharat, and I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Sciences, FAST National University of Computer and Emerging Sciences, Islamabad.